Hello, this is Dylan, and today I'm going to show you how to make a balloon dog. First, you make the head by folding it like this. You take it and you bend right there. Then there's the head. You can make it any size you want. Then what you do is you make the legs the same way you made the head, like this. Here's the head, here's the legs, and here is the other pair of legs. No, this does not look like a dog at all, but it is supposed to be a dog. Here, I'll do it better. Right there, head. Here, feet. Right here, another pair of feet. Which, okay, that is a total mess up. I'll show you on a green balloon, a lot easier. Head, front feet, back feet, big tail. Here are some other kind of dogs that you can make. Wiener dog. Long, super long wiener dog. Mini dog, and as you've already seen, Mr. Longtail. Done.